Looking good. I'm starting maybe getting that one.
It's not going to touch the ground, is it?
So it's going to be held about that height. Okay, let go, Pete. Yeah, let go. Okay. I'm wanting to go for airborne wind energy, and with airborne, you've got an awful lot of opportunity to gather, height, where a standard turbine at the moment is stuck on the ground with a big, heavy tower and uses an awful lot of equipment. So with these airborne ones, you've got so much space there to gather from. So I've been looking for a way to take a lot of the material out of a wind turbine, a standard wind turbine, and with this one I'm using just kites, which the blades are just 2 single skins, and that the parafoil design is much lighter. It still generates your lift over the surface. Everything's in tension though, so you don't need the tower, you don't need the generator to be high up, that can be on the ground. The kites themselves could be solid blades on that ring, but I'm trying to use as little material as I can, and it's the material that's in a standard turbine that bothers me. The good part of the idea here is that it just uses string ropes, and these are in tension. They're ridiculously strong. The Dyneema line there is 8 times stronger than steel for the same diameter. The other advantage is cheap and light. You can get that anywhere. That was in the Fisherman's Cope in town, and we've built the whole thing in the village in garages, good pals, and everyone's come together, give us a wee shot and try it out. Everyone's interested in what on earth it is. So it's the sort of thing you can do anywhere, It's very portable.
Get nach ach et ieder ha. Ha rodien weg gewel jo hommes och gaun, is on ne buntberg scho heel glose dat se ha, agus mar ha klech stuhen a ha furste in fein, gustadas kuach a hort kukaners nochten a ha immelach. Ach, ha kujoch fregerach is on femlochen kuach mode.
You can stretch that across vast areas of sky. You can stretch it between mountains, or you can set it underwater. Surprisingly enough, across gaps. So you can, with the underwater medium, you've got a lot more density, you've got a lot more power. So with a design like this, what I'm doing is using the power of the wind to lift these tips. Instead of the thousands of tons of steel that make a tower, I've just got a lifter kite up high, pulling this rig into the air, and the ring itself helps hold the kites out, and so does the wind. The wind holds the blade tips out, so to speak, and they're pulled around by the wind, generating the energy. So it's the energy of the wind instead of the weight of the tower and pushing the thing into the air. Luckily here you can also keep the generator on the ground, you keep it low down. The servicing is easy because of that. When the wind dies, it comes down, you can check everything. If you see a great big storm coming, you can take it down, pack it away so it's not going to get damaged in that. Also, we're going to have feathering and spilling the wind built in elastically on the kites themselves. So you've got advantages there for the serviceability and the design. As you can see, it's a very early prototype, this one. The band, the inner band there, you see the metal ring, if that was a wee bit wider on this one, would open up a wee bit more air into the outsides of the kites there. And that's the problem we're going to work on next. But this is the first day we've tested this one, so we're expecting trouble along the way. We've had some good successes early on, and we've seen great speed come out of them. We're trying to measure the torque now with driving against that brake. Yeah, let's do it. Hopefully that'll come.
Gaan je project in koers nog gewaan, a ha tachert in tuif schier.